All right, what is going on, everybody? How are you guys doing today? Hope everybody's having a great day. Back with another E55 video. So currently the car is at about 560 miles, and I'm doing an oil change. So I decided to do the oil change here at 560. We're gonna go ahead and change it because I want to see what the oil looks like, and then I'm gonna do another oil change at 1,000 when the motor's broken in at that point, and then I'm gonna use good oil because, and when I say good oil, I'm not using bad oil right now. I didn't buy the one I'm gonna use later on. So I've been putting just Mobil 1 in it. You guys know I prefer liquid moly. It's just my preference, but I'm not gonna use liquid moly till we do the next oil change at 1,000, because I already knew this is gonna be like, you know, quick oil. When I say quick, it's only gonna be like 500 miles. So yeah, currently it's at about 568, I think. Not sure exact. I do apologize for the wind. Again, I live in the desert, so this is like a thing that happens constantly. But yeah, so I've already gone ahead and drained it. Here's the drain plug down there. But I'll get back with you guys once I pull the drain pan out, and then we'll see what the oil looks like, and I'll show you guys the filter afterwards. All right, everybody, so here's the oil. So it's black, and this is completely my fault. I know it should be clean. I mean, obviously it's a brand new motor, but when we originally did everything, we didn't fully empty out that little cooler that sits over there on the side, the oil cooler. So it had some remnants of the old black oil, so that's our fault. But aside from that, it looks very clean. All these little things you're seeing are leaves. There's like wind, so it blew some leaves in here. But here's the filter. It looks very clean. I don't really see any metal particles. That's not, that little white thing's not metal. It's like a piece of the filter, like little fiber or something. But like I said, overall, it's very clean. There isn't really like, I mean, obviously, good thing there's no metal shavings. That'd be bad, but it looks really good so far. So we're gonna throw in the new filter. I'm gonna throw in Mobil 1 oil. It takes 8.5 quarts, and then we're gonna go from there. And yeah, this is obviously a quick video, nothing crazy, but I just wanted to show you guys an update on it, because I know people have been kind of asking about the oil change stuff. And yeah, I decided to do it at 500 miles, but let me bolt everything back together and we'll go from there. So another quick update for you guys. New filter is on. And quick question, do you guys ever change these little rubber things that they give you? These ones, I always change them. I've heard stuff from different people, like on the forums, they're like, oh, you don't have to change them or whatever. It kind of seems like, why wouldn't you, right? It takes like 2 minutes and they give them to you in the filter, so why wouldn't you? But I don't know, let me know down below what you guys think. I always change them. But super clean oil filter housing. So we're about to install. I always like to, another thing I do is I pre-fill like the first 5-quart bottle through here, because it's, I mean, it's a bigger hole, it's easier. And then I'll start filling from here, from the actual fill at some point. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys do that? Do you not do that? Be cool. But let me fill everything up, and then I'll catch up with you guys after we're done. Alrighty, so it's been filled. Here's the oil that I decided to use, liquid moly 5W40. So we're gonna use that. I mean, it was expensive, but it is what it is, only the best. So we're gonna run it now. My brother's inside the car. He's gonna start it. We're gonna run it for like 10-15 seconds. Then I'm gonna shut it off. And it just sucks because I can't really check the oil on this car because, yeah, you know, the dipstick right there, well, it's not a dipstick. It's that. So, yeah, good on Mercedes, but yeah. So, here goes nothing. Start up. So there it was. The video cut off because I forgot the phone connects to the Bluetooth automatically in the car, so it cut the video. But that little, like, the noise you heard, that's from the bearings in here. They're new, but when you go fix, they make noise all the time, just how the design of the supercharger is. So yeah, there's nothing wrong with it. Sounds great. I'm gonna run the car for probably like 10 minutes, let it get up to temp, and then we're gonna use the stupid freaking oil sensor thing inside the car to check it. So I'll catch with you guys when we get in it. All right, everybody. So now we're going to check it using the stupid freaking online, the instrument cluster thing. I hate this. I absolutely hate this. I wish there was a freaking dipstick. On every other M113K, there's a dipstick. S-Class, G-Class, they all have it, except for the E-Class and the CLS. I don't know why. It's just stupid. But you have to come here where it says your 0 miles per hour or your temperature, depending whichever one you selected, and then you click this button 3 times. So you also have to make sure the key is in the second position. You click it 3 times, 1, 2, 3. It'll bring up that. You use these buttons to scroll. You move forward. You'll see right there it says 0 oil level. It says no quarts right now because you have to actually turn the key to the on position. So you turn it on to the on position, We go back one. Yes, I know. And now, there it is. 7.9 quarts. Usually, they say after you run the car, you're supposed to wait 10 minutes because then the oil gets back down to the drain, or at least to the oil pan. So, I think we're good because I think there's still a bunch of oil probably all over the motor. I literally didn't wait any. I just shut it off and did this. So, I'm going to check it again. I'm going to run the car for another like 5 minutes and I'm going to, yeah, see, it's going up. I'm going to check it again and we're going to go from there and see where it's at. But I think we're going to be probably good. It's just, if I'm short like 0.5 quarts, I'll add it. But I put 9 quarts in it. So, yeah. And plus, I don't really trust this thing if I'm being honest with you guys. But, yeah, let me finish everything up and we'll close out the video. All right, well, there it is. We're done. Finally finished the oil change, and the piece de resistance is, of course, the emblem. It was missing, so I had to get one from the junkyard because I refused to pay $40 on Mercedes. But yeah, we got that all covered. It's good to go. Car's looking good. It's driving good. The last thing I need to do is the sway bar end links are fucked. That's the last thing that's needed for the front suspension. Everything else is new, and then an alignment, because I won't get into it, but let's just say the place I took it to get an alignment didn't really do a good job. So, yeah. Sway bar end links, and then we're doing an alignment, and then that's it. Car's ready to go at that point, just cosmetic stuff. E63 seats, some other stuff, but overall, powertrain wise, the car's great, feels great, drives great. Yeah, after this oil change, the oil looked great, no metal shavings or anything. BMW M5 E60 style, so yeah, looks great. But let me know down below what you guys think. What do you guys think about the oil? Was it a good idea to do it at 500? Should I have just waited till 1,000? Up to you guys. But yeah, I'm kind of happy with where it's at. So last thing it needs now is, like I said, just the sway bar end links, alignment, and then we're good to start driving it. It looks great. It drives really good. I drove it last night, put like 40 miles on it. So very happy with where it's at. But yeah, this was a quick little video for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know down below what you think of that stupid freaking oil level sensor inside. I think it's dumb. They should have just left the dipstick, but who am I, right? But make sure you guys check out all the other videos up to this car. This car's had a whole story, so make sure if you don't know anything about it, this is your first video, check that story out. It's crazy. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take it easy.